Yo, what's up, guys? We are back in Universe Sandbox 2. And we have a I have a spectacular show today. One thing I gotta mention is I did get my mic fixed, so that's good. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, that's good. Alright, there we go. So hello everybody and welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. So I actually came up with an idea myself. So early this morning I was thinking about about what my next idea should be, and that is obviously Universe Sandbox 2, but we're doing a little bit something different than what we did before. So today we're going to be figuring out how we can destroy the world with here, we'll come up with an object soon. And we're gonna grab so we have the Earth and the Moon. Let's just see what happens. Okay, so we got the Earth and there's the Moon. Here I'm gonna go grab an object. Let's see which one. Okay, so I know Spike Viper did a bowling ball versus Earth. But we're gonna go with something different. Alright. So we could do a golf. Let's actually get rid of the Moon, because that's unnecessary. Okay, so now that we just have the Earth, we need to figure out a way where we can actually try and do some damage to the Earth. So let's just see how a base. So we're gonna try every object we can. So let's start with a baseball being dropped to Earth at just from orbit. Oh, there we go. This game doesn't have any simulation of like air drag. Oh my god, look how big the Earth is when you go from like the perspective of a baseball. We're gonna see that even like that is crazy. But we are going kind of fast. 9 kilometers, a couple miles radius. Oh, we actually enter the atmosphere, so we're gonna hit the ocean, but we're gonna cause a little bit of a tsunami there. And when we hit the surface, oh! Well, let's see. Yeah, we're going to speed time up. Oh, so it actually did heat the Earth up a little bit. And now the Earth is cooling down because of the impact. Earth is now spinning extremely slowly from that one impact. Let's just change that to 1 day. For 24 hours. It's actually 23.9 hours in. But here, let me see. What does Universe Sandbox 2 have the average? What does Universe Sandbox 2 have the average speed? That's what I thought. 23.9 hours. Okay. Okay, so now that we actually created an impact with a baseball, let's see if we can do a little bit more. But this baseball needs to be spinning at a little bit. This baseball needs to be thrown and faster than any other baseball that's ever been thrown before. Let's launch it. Let's put a little bit distance away from us. There we go. So now we're... Oh, okay. I gotta find our baseball again. There we go. Okay, so now when we're at our baseball, let's stop time. Oh, the age is like incredibly small. Let's do seconds. The rotational period needs to be so incredibly small. So let's give it a minute. And then I'll add a 1 to the end. Okay. Okay, so now... Oh, so it's actually... Okay, let's slow down the baseball's rotational period. I think I went a little bit too overboard. Okay, let's change this to... Let's do 1,000 seconds. Oh, it's not moving a little bit. So we have to turn it down. So let's give it a minute. We're almost at... let's switch this. Oh, it's actually moving a little bit. But we can go faster. There we go. Now our baseball is spinning. So we can do one of two things to create the impact on Earth. Like big. We can change the mass or we can change the velocity. So now, because we're using a baseball, obviously we're not going to change the mass. We are going to change its velocity. So we can do kilometers per second, and then kilometers per hour, and then meters per second. Let's go light speed. So we can do... I did 1,000 times the speed of light, so let's go 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So that's 100,000 times the speed of light. Let's slow down time a lot more. Oh, there it goes. So it just instantly hit Earth, and we're gonna see if it actually did any damage. I'm gonna speed things up quite a bit because we have them kind of going slow. Oh, I'm moving way too slow. No. Okay, the Earth is cooling down. And the entire globe is encompassing itself in ice. But we're going not really that fast. Europe, all of Europe is frozen. Antarctica is actually healthy. Let's use our map to look at North America. So the global temperature is dropping way, way, way further than we never wanted it to. So let's try a different object. Let's launch a golf ball at Earth. With this golf ball, boom! And let's see if the heat heats up Earth. Nope. So we've gone into months now. The planet looks absolutely wonderful for Christmas. Just in time for Christmas. But yeah, the Earth is not going to stop getting warmer. It's going to just slowly and slowly get worse forever. Okay, you can actually still see the city lights, like, through the snow. And there goes our planet. It's all gone! It's over! It's at 115 degrees Celsius, so we're an ice ball. Let's launch something that can warm up our planet. Let's go 1 second per second. Let's put the... Oh, okay, I accidentally placed that there. Oh, that's a rogue object. Let's launch Europa. So we're gonna place a lot of them around the Earth. We're gonna place like several Europas. Okay, so we have placed a couple of Europas. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, we gotta speed it up so it's actually moving. Oh, one of them is actually already hitting. Oh, there we go. The Earth. Yeah, the Earth did heat up, but now it's too warm. So let's speed time up. We're at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we're at the average global temperature. Whew! And Europa got captured into orbit. Okay, let's zero velocity the Earth. And Earth, as much as I like you, we have to do this. Kepler 10b, I know you can destroy the world. I need to zero velocity the Earth. Oh, the Earth is still gaining some speed. Here. Alright, so, yeah, because the simulation is now pretty much frozen at this point, so we're gonna make a new simulation. So we're gonna try it again. So, plop down the Earth. It was at 100. That was a. So it was an ice ball. Well, it's gotta be spinning a lot faster. So that actually freezes. But the Earth needs to get colder. Okay, the Earth... Oh, there it is. Oh, shoot, I went to mega years. Okay, we're now in seconds. So, let's... Is Earth zero velocity? Yep. Okay, and now that the Earth is zero velocity, has zero velocity, we are going to fire Kepler 10b. Let's back up a little bit. I have to get them the same distance here, so it actually sandwiches the Earth. There we go. Earth will now be sandwiched by two Kepler 10s, which are the exact distance apart. And Earth Earth, as much as I like you, you were a good planet. You did well. You did good. But all good things must come to an end on your world. Okay, we're about to hit. We've already broken physics about this. Oh shoot. Let's stop time. Oh shoot, this one's actually a little bit further. We gotta be careful here, so that's what we gotta do. It's velocity. This one's velocity. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Oh shoot. Okay, let's close that. Okay, the Earth is not going to be exactly a sandwich. Ooh! Look at that. We have... look at all that debris flying. These do... Oh, this one's actually heating up like a lot more. So, Earth is now officially gone. And now these two Kepler 10Bs are also going to sacrifice themselves for the good of science. Debris flying out of our corners. And what we have left is going to be some sort of conglomeration of literally everything. So this is now 5 times the mass, 6 times the mass of Earth, well, 5.83. Some fragments are coming back though, adding a little bit of mass to it. So Earth actually didn't add too much material to it, because of the fact that a lot of it was like thrown out as fragments. But we can say that Earth has now been destroyed. So, what is next? Oh. So, the moon. Let's get this over with. Now, the moon will be actually very fun to destroy because the moon is Earth's only natural satellite. So we're going to get started. So what could we do? We could do a laser. So the laser would be about this big. Let's turn down the radius just to be a little bit fair. But we're going to turn down the power too. So currently this laser is very, very, very small. As you can see, it's like very, very thin. Let's overheat the far side. Here, let's unlock that. Boom. I'm assuming that just created a gigantic crater. Let's turn the moon into a blackened shell. That's a little bit more fun than actually burning the moon. So we're going to wrap around the whole moon. And we're going to heat that up too. So now we have pretty much heated everything with the laser. Yeah, the moon's surface features are gone. They're done. Oh, we didn't create some nice... We did create some nice craters, though. But the moon's features are gone. For good. Okay. Let's use Innuttable Destroyer. Oh, okay, let's go to... Let's throw the third stage of Apollo 12, the third stage of the Saturn V. Let's see. No, it's not technically one moon. No, it is. Let's up its mass. Is that one? Okay, it's actually bigger than the Earth. Let's throw something. And now it's actually... Yes! Oh, boom, the enemy's all at the moon. So, alright, so here, I have an idea so we can make the moon. I'm gonna try and hold the mouse, and I'm gonna, like, spam the left. I'm gonna spam the left clicker. Okay, the moon is now 3 times the mass of Earth. Let's actually give it a tiny bit to cool down. Okay. That actually looks pretty sick. And now we can throw the Earth at it. There's like so much lag on my computer right now. And so we just upped the moon's mass again. It's now 8 times the mass of Earth. What's the tool that allows... Okay, let's pulse. Okay. Material. We're gonna up its mass. Okay, so we're just gonna actually keep making it larger because why not? Now it's heating up a little bit and it's cooling down. And once it hits 10 million degrees Celsius, it will begin. There we go. It's now a gas giant. Let's switch to hydrogen. So when we're giving a gas giant, hydrogen is just absolutely ridiculous. 27 times. Yeah, this is gonna speed it up a lot. Okay, now it's a star. Oh, it's actually 1/10 the mass of the sun. Ooh, and it's got a fantastic ring. That's so good. So let's continue making it larger. Oh, particle's way too big. Let's do 84 times. Oh, it's 5. Let's make it. Oh, now it's got huge solar flares. Okay, we need to up its mass. Can it not be? Can I make? Oh, there we go. Times 10. Oh, now it's a really active star, and it's pulling. Look at all the particles that are being ejected from it. And now it's really flinging everything out. Here, I have an idea that we can make it a very active star. Let's put everything around it. Let's put orbit, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and let's see what happens to the system. And the system is going crazy. So we're going into, let's go in. Okay, so we can't run any faster than our current settings. Okay, this is way too fast. And whoop. Oh, if you look there, it's actually got some pretty impressive solar flares. Let's explode. Boop. Yep, a supernova is negative 235 degrees Celsius. Ooh, that's really, really bright. And just use it. And just use the supernova. Incoming. Yes. I love exploding planets using supernovas. And Earth has been disintegrated. I'll see how well the gas giants are handling. Oh. My system is going crazy. Pluto is now at negative. Oh, Pluto is actually a lot easier to see even with the supernova. Jupiter. Oh, the supernova is not going to stop. Oh no, it's cooling down right now. Well, yeah, because the supernova stuff flung out, and it literally just wrapped around like the entire system. Now we can actually have a nice with the moon star. Even though it's like not really able to do that. I mean, I guess it really. Surely I didn't have it all, but I guess it wouldn't be that bad. But thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget that the Weed VR event is coming out soon. So see ya!